You will need a tip, a matte top coat, a white, red and black gel polish. Also, gel cleanser and lint-free wipe, a palette, a clean-up brush, a fine detailer and a dotting tool. First, apply 2 thin to medium coats of white and cure for 60 seconds. Decant your white, red and black gel polish on your palette and saturate a lint-free wipe. Now, with your black, use the same technique from my last video to do your front. The video to this is going to be in the description box below. Cure this for 60 seconds. Now, apply your second coat of black and cure for 60 seconds. Apply your matte top coat to the whole nail. This will help the nail art glide nicer. Cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. If your matte top coat has an inhibition layer, remove this with a wipe saturated with cleanse. Now, paint a bow at the top of your French using the white. Do it in the middle of the smile line. Doing the white first will make the red pop that little bit more. I know it's a little hard to see me painting white on white, but I hope you get the gist. Once you've done the basic outline, fill it in and cure for 60 seconds. Now, go over the white bow with the red. Cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Do a second coat of the red to make sure it's full coverage. Cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now, go around your bow with the black to outline it. If it helps, lean your pinky on your pointer finger to keep you balanced. Where the bow meets the knot, do a little swirl. This creates an illusion of it being knotted. Once you're happy, cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. Now, go over the black lines, ensuring they are full coverage. Cure for 60 seconds. Now, make slanted lines going from the top left corner going towards the bow. These do not have to be super neat as they are an illusion of tights. Just make sure the lines are evenly spaced apart. Then, do some more slanted lines but going the other way. Now, using a small dotting tool, dip into the black and place a dot where the lines meet. This just adds a bit of detail to the tights. Cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. Apply your matte top coat over the whole nail to seal in the design. Cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. If your matte top coat has an inhibition layer, remove this with a wipe saturated with cleanse. And there you go, the design is complete.